Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download GEICO claim status tracker from app. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open your app store on your device. Search for GEICO in the search bar. Locate the official GEICO app in the search results. Tap on the app to open its details page. If you haven't installed the app yet, tap the download button. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installed, open the GEICO app. If you are a new user, tap on Create an account. Provide the necessary information to set up your account. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. After logging in, navigate to the main menu. Look for the option labeled Claims or Claim Status. Tap on Claim Status to view the tracking feature. You should now see your claim status displayed. If you need to track a specific claim, enter the claim number. Review the details provided regarding your claim. You can also find additional resources related to your claim here. If you encounter any issues, visit the help section within the app. For further assistance, consider contacting GEICO customer support. That's how you download and use the GEICO Claim Status Tracker app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.